Welcome to Booked Up English. I'm Susan and I teach children English. In 2020, I am focusing on reading skills. This will help your child read and write better in English. Today, we will learn a red word. Red words are special because we stop to think about them. They are very common in English. We will do 4 things to learn these words. Listen, say, spell, write. You will need a notebook and a pencil. If you have a red pencil or marker, that is best for today's lesson. Are you ready? Let's go. Today's special red word is only. Listen. Only. 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 We use our arm to help our brain stop and think. This is called arm tapping. Let's spell in English. O-N-L-Y. Only. O-N-L-Y. Only. O-N-L-Y. Only. Let's write in English. O-N-L-Y. Only. Make a flashcard. Only. Thanks for learning today. Review the letters and short vowel sounds in previous videos. You can also practice using your notebook or flashcards. That will help you. See you soon.